Today we are going to look at Garmin Dashcam Mini. I will quickly show you what comes inside the box. First of all, let's take a look at the camera. This camera has 140-degree lens and records HD video in 1080p. The biggest advantage of this camera is its size. As you can see, it is very small. You will be able to easily hide it behind your rearview mirror. It only has two buttons. One on the side is used to turn on and off the sound recording, and the one in the middle is used to save the video in case if you see something interesting on the road and don't want this file to get overwritten. The camera will save this file in a separate folder. Besides that, we have the micro SD slot and the USB port. The camera comes with adhesive mount, which is connected using this ball right there. It allows you to adjust the camera after the installation and still holds it very well in place, so it won't shake or vibrate. You still can disconnect the mount from the camera, even though it's a little bit tough. So it's been done like that. And then you can put it back on by pushing the ball in place, like that. The Dashcam Mini has a sensor which detects possible collisions and automatically saves video footage before, during and after the incident, but it does not come with the GPS. Beside the camera we have two USB cables. One is 1.5 meter data cable used to connect the camera to your computer, and the second one is a 4-meter cable used to power the camera in the vehicle. It is long enough to easily route it behind the vehicle trim. Set also comes with dual USB power adapter, which you may or may not use. If your vehicle comes with separate USB port, you can use it to power the camera. This way you will not use the main cigarette lighter socket. And here we have the second extra adhesive mount. Next, I will install the SD card, power up the camera, and we will connect it to the smartphone using Bluetooth. And in the end I will show you guys the day and night video footage. This camera requires class 10 SD card with capacity of 8 gigs or higher, and in general the higher the capacity of the SD card, the longer the lifespan of it will be, because it will be overwritten less frequently. You have to install the card this way. Put it in and press until it clicks. Now it's in its place. When you install the SD card for the first time, it needs to be formatted. For that we need power. So I have connected the longer USB cable, the power cable which we have. So one end is connected to the PC and the second one we will connect to the port on the camera. So after the connection has been made, we need to press and hold this side button for 8 seconds until this light becomes green. When you see that, it means that the card has been formatted. Once it turns red again, it means it has started recording. In general, you should format the SD card once every 6 months. This will extend the life of the card. Because camera doesn't come with its own screen, you will have to use Garmin Drive App. You can find it by going to the Play Store. Just look for Garmin Drive, download and install this application. This app is used to view the live feed, so when after you have installed the camera on the windshield, you can adjust the angle, and you can see live on your phone basically what the camera sees. You can also view, edit, and transfer the videos to your smartphone. So I'm gonna open the app. So here you can see the Garmin Dashcam series, that's what we're looking for. Press continue. So now we'll have to press this button, the save video button on the camera. Press and hold. The light turns blue, which means it's now ready to pair with your phone. And this is how it looks. So we are using DC Mini. So here we can review the footage, we can take a picture, save a clip, view live feed. Also we can turn on and off audio recording. In settings we can adjust the quality, for example. You can see here we have two options, 1080p and 720p. Also, again, a bunch of other settings. We can actually format SD card from here. We can check for the updates, restore defaults, etc. But right now I'll show you the live feed. When you press this button, you will see live what your camera is recording right now. There you go. There is a little bit of a delay, but it will give you an idea what exactly you are recording. You can turn the phone and it will give you a full screen image, and look, Kuza has found himself a box. So I'll go back. As I said, we can review footage from here. And this is a file that we currently have recorded. As I said, you can choose or cut a portion of the video that you want. You can save it, and later you can save this file to your phone. Another cool thing about this app is you can have a multiple camera network. You can connect up to 4 Garmin dash cams simultaneously. For example, you can have the front-facing dash cam, rear-facing one, and 2 side dash cams in the vehicle at the same time, linked to this app, and it will record the footage simultaneously. Besides saving videos to your smartphone, you can also transfer videos to your PC, and there are 2 ways to do it. One of them would be to use the shorter 1.5 meter data cable that I showed before. This would mean that you have to remove the dash cam every time you want to do it from this mount. It may not be the best option. The better way, in my opinion, would be to remove the SD card from the camera. But if you want to do it this way, you have to keep in mind that you have to power off the device before you do it. So now it's safe to remove the SD card, because if you remove it when it's on, it may damage the device or SD card. Alright, so now it's time to see the actual footage. And now we'll take a look how it records video at night.